How to make an academic poster in Google Slides. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your PowerPoint or your Google Slides. The process is same for both of it. There are different templates available in your PowerPoint or your Google Slides to create an academic poster. So simply go to template gallery and then simply search for academic poster. Go to the education section and see what best suits you. Is it a certificate? If it is a science fair, discoveries, science project, flashcard, and many more. You can also get an option of search. All you have to do is search for academic postcards or academic posters and then open the template that you prefer. After that, simply edit the content and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.